Welcome back. This is my beautiful friend Casey, and she has struggled with acne growing up, and so today I'm going to be doing her makeup, trying to help her show how to cover acne and just feel beautiful in her own skin. Today I'm going to start with just using a primer, and it's like a color corrector just to help blemish the red spots around her acne. And she mostly has acne on her upper cheekbones and around her forehead. And then I will just grab my concealer. And you just need a little bit of this to start off with. And I place it under her eyes. And then you just take a beauty blender. And you just blend it in under the eyes. And you can also add it like in the middle of the forehead and down the nose and on the chin. And then I'll take my foundation and I will apply it to her face. And you can also build, like if you have a lot of acne in one spot, if you want to hide it really good, you can just build up that one area, but you can try to just keep it light. And then I take a brush that isn't really soft, but it has like a hard end to it. And then you just take it and you just blend the foundation in. And you just go down. And then you can like buffer if you want to. And make sure you blend all the way down the neck so it doesn't have a different color. Can you please rub your lips, please? Thank you. And make sure you get the nose really well and the eyes, around the eyes. And if you need to add more foundation at any time, you can. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my powder, which is over it. And this is just a clear translucent powder. It doesn't really show that much. It's not a color to it. And then I'm just going to take, let's see, she has a really big brush, so we're just going to put a little on there and then melt some off. And then we're just going to put it on her face. And just pat it on. And make sure you put some on the neck too, just to blend. Okay. And then next what I like to do is I love to take contour. And you just put some on your brush and tap. And then you go right underneath the cheek just to contour. And if you look right here, you just go right here. And you always tap off your brush because it's really dark, so it gets a lot on there. And you can just keep going like that, but be a little easy. And then you can take some and blend it on the neck and go around the forehead. But not so much, just a little tap will do. And then she has, I'm going to use this blush. She's going to use some blush on her cheeks. Okay. Just to add some color to her cheeks. Which you don't have to do blush if you don't want to, but it will just help add some color to it. And it looks really pretty. And then once I do that, I just take a fluffy brush overall, and I just do and wipe the makeup off. That's the leftover excess. Okay. And then I start with the eyes. Sometimes you can use like an under concealer for the eyes if you have dark spots or something like that. But she doesn't really have any, so I'm just going to go straight in using eyeshadow. I'm going to start off with doing my basic white. It's not really, it's not white, but it's like a tannish color for the base. It like gives it a little highlight. And then I'm going to go in with a darker color and get up in the crease. And I'm just going to keep going in the crease of her eyes and make sure it blends really well. And then I'll get like a light, I'm using neutral colors, so I'm going to use a light brown just to go on the eyelid of her eye. And that should work really well. They blend really good. And just make sure you stay blending as you do the makeup, just to make sure everything looks good, and you can use your fingers to touch it up. And I'm going to add some sparkle to your eyes. I'm going to use like a goldish color. And I'm going to just dab that on with my fingers because it's really, really good. And then wipe some under her eyes. Can you please look here? Okay, and then I'm going to take, let's see, my brush, and I'm just going to keep blending. Okay, and then I take my light brush again, and I get some of the whitish eyeshadow, and I just put it underneath her eyebrow. And I don't really need to fill in her eyebrows, but you're welcome to fill in the eyebrows if you want to. And then we just get the last step would be mascara. Blink and blink and blink. Okay. Okay. And if you get any under it, you can just wipe it off. Okay, and that looks really good around her eyes. And then when you finish that, you can just get back out your blender and just keep blending under the eye. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video. I'll be seeing you at Aveda.